people, I noticed something from the video I made yesterday, and it's coming from the people that somehow have decided to start loving VDM. These are the same people. I remember the video he posted when he was in China, before he went to China, what they were going, how they were going back and forth. Then this time around, the same people are the ones defending him with all manner of nonsense. It's good to call for the opening of the Onitsha market, pharmaceuticals market. But I know that place more than you. I used to hustle that place when I was a kid, and I know so many people there. The government is not entirely wrong by closing that market. Remember, Dora Akunyili, as the NAFDA DG, closed that place. In fact, the people that were accused of trying to buy her are from there. Like the owners of that market, the lords of that market, don't need mentioning their names. It will be as if I'm targeting them. But you people know the ones from Olu and the ones from Mosul. I will leave it at that. Somehow now, he's now their friend, and you did something else with all these dingoes and the Obi supporters that are now coalescing around you. I'm beginning to notice a pattern in some of your videos. You made the videos about what happened at Nsukka then. Well, one of the boys that posted that thing is under arrest right now. And that Nsukka, you know nothing about there. Please, 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 let me beg you, remove your mouth from anything that has to do with the Southeast. You may think you want to placate some people, but you will make yourself the enemy of Nigerians. They are the loudest, but I'm telling you, they will corrupt you. If they've not done that already, then they will ruin you. Eventually, you will see the truth. The day we tell them that truth, they will turn on you. Look at the Buhari case. Okay, you went there, insulted yourself, not Buhari, not Tinubu. But have you tried to remind them, as the person with integrity you are, to remind them that Buhari did not buy in 2017? So you did not see these ones they are doing. In Nsukka, you said the Fulani people are doing this and without knowing what was going there. Do you know that the immediate past governor of Enugu State had to use my sister to beg me to take down one of the videos I made about that area? In 2023, do you know? But you did not hear when Soludo said that 99.9% of all the criminals they've arrested that are perpetuating all the crimes in Anambra State are from the Southeast. They are Southeasterners. Did you see that one? Did you even make any video on it? Let's be paying attention. Keep going, just be with them. Ask Reno, ask every other person else. Before, Reno used to be their favorite. Now he's their worst enemy. And all these ones that are following all these Obi people that we are now, first of all, Peter Obi politically is a motherfucker. Let me tell you, let me talk. Politically is an MFR. So that is how unaware you are about what's happening in the Southeast. Ignorant. I may go as far as using that word. Now they are the ones that are coming to do like they're attacking their father on their page. They are insulting Buhari because I defended Buhari, the man that for whom you were not dealt with by illegally, I may say, by these girls you had issues with. The pastor Amos Issa, where 14-year-old girl and their other girls did it too. They arraigned him in court yesterday. Man of integrity, did you see it or not? You will not go there. No, you will not go there, of course. Because na pastor. You are not seeing all these are fake miracles. Oh, man of integrity, bold speaker. You Nigerians are acting out of emotion, but they gave you a cut and join video of me purporting to say that I buy person, I do this, I did that. You believed it, and you no get emotion, and you be man of integrity. But when it comes to certain people, your mind will be off. Your mind go just off like this. Na no umu bingo, umu okoku, umu ewu, umu atoro, IPOB. Na them one can they defend you now. Now them be your friends now. Be Nigerians are watching. Nigerians are watching. This world no, another advice. And umu ewu, keep commenting. I will be using your comments as evidence. You understand? When I know say me, na me be on a medicine. Na me be on antidote. Just keep, maybe you have those things at the screenshot and evidence. When I first finish with Igbo go be on 23rd, I go to wait for Hezekiah and the rest of them. At the end of the day, we go know people will get integrity and people where they play safe. Oga, you are a safe player. You can have more. It's just the now entertainment. Just focus on the entertainment. See, you feel be good swimmer for swimming pool, but you see ocean, no go there. No go there. You don't dey tread, they enter into dangerous territory. I dey tell you, you no go end well.